with the potential kind of recession, whether you want to say it's here or it's coming, does anybody ever really know where we're at in the whole life cycle? What does that mean for property management companies who are managing these assets for the investors?
Yeah, I mean, the crystal ball question, right? Like, what's the future look like? I'll start by saying I think this recession has very different fundamentals than the 2008 recession. And what I mean by that is in 2008, the real estate community and even capital markets were more or less taken by surprise. The Fed didn't know what to do. They had emergency meetings. Everything was moving quick. Housing prices dropped very rapidly. Large companies went out of business. And it was all because no one really understood the risk that was on the balance sheets and the default rates that were happening. Now, today, we know why we're entering into a recession. The Fed is moving the interest rates up. They're trying to stall out housing growth. They're trying to slow the economy down. And so I think because of those fundamentals, there's a lot more understanding about what's going on, and there's going to be, potentially less people taken off guard. So because of that, that doesn't mean like recession doesn't change things, right? So today we have housing prices not moving up as they were earlier, interest rates very, very high, but then you have listing inventory very, very low. So people aren't necessarily like offering their home for rent or for sale, excuse me. And so for property management, I think this is a really good thing, right? When property values were going up, you had a lot of landlords getting out of the market, cashing out. And so there's quite a bit of churn that was not something a property manager could stop. That's going to slow quite significantly. People are going to maintain their rental properties because it's more challenging to sell for top dollar, and you're going to have to take a bit of a haircut. You're also going to see in different sectors of the economy, like specifically those that have grown really rapidly, probably some people that are a little bit backwards needing to get out of things. And so that gives an opportunity for people that need to get out quick, for a property manager to hook them up with an investor that's looking to deploy capital, or it's also an opportunity for someone that can't sell to rent their property instead of sell the property. While rents have softened a bit, they're still at historic highs. Like, there's no avoiding the housing affordability crisis that is in this nation. It's very real and very loud. So those are some high level thoughts on what recession might mean.